how to stop yourself from procrastinating and overthinking during the whole process?
Yeah, it's a nice question. Overthinking. It's difficult for me to answer that question. Well, one component for overthinking is like quite important. Don't focus and don't receive too many information about the stuff you are covering. For example, like there were recommendations to use like the textbooks, huge books with 1,000, 4,000 pages. Whenever you have plenty of information, for example, about myocardial infarction or colorectal cancer, and you receive quite simple question about colorectal cancer, and answer is also straightforward, like it shouts on you like, take me, I'm the correct one. But whenever you have plenty of information, you are validating other options. So it's important to remember that step 1, step 2, step 3, they are asking the most classical high-yield information, which is written and given in your first aid or in your like different kind of resources. So don't overthink, don't complicate, just do it and take the most high-yield and most important one.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.